Today we are in Coral Ridge at Seabrook. We are in the final opportunities to get into this amazing community. I'm showcasing to you today The Dawn by David Weekley. Now listen, if you're relocating into Northeast Florida, maybe you're retiring, maybe you're upsizing your family, this is the community you want to be in. There's a whole lot of activities for the kids to do, there's A-rated schools, there's a lot of different golf courses and amenities for you if you're retiring or you just want to have a good date night. You do not want to miss this community. Y'all, it is a wonderful day the Lord has made. Let's just hop right in. All right, we're back looking at The Dawn again. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that we did a visual tour of this home, but I wanted to come back out here and really just truly guide you through it this time around so you can really determine if this is the right property for you. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this home is. You have your 3-car garage on that side, not to be confused with the left side of the home. Now there are a couple of move-in ready models. We are in the final phases, so I just had to come back out here and showcase this to you. You can see this beautiful archway, then you have that really amazing waterfall that you can add to your lot. Now these are sitting on 80-foot wide lots, so you have a lot of options and a lot of room to play with. I love this seating area here right before you enter. Definitely can be a hangout spot. Really beautiful entryway here. Whether you're relocating and you're ready for just a slower pace, or maybe you're a family entering a chapter where more space just really finally works for you after all of this time of working hard, this floor plan you're gonna absolutely fall in love with. Let's go ahead and hop in and see what we're working with. Immediately stepping into the home, you can see those oversized windows letting in all of that natural light. This space is very open and it is very large. To my right, you have that entryway sort of desk spot. And right when I walk through, we're gonna pivot and go straight into the kitchen because it's here right as you step in the room. Now the kitchen is truly the heart of the home, but notice how it's not an overwhelming space, right? It opens up naturally to the family and the dining areas, yet it still feels really composed, really intentional. Okay, this kitchen is designed for people who enjoy cooking, hosting, conversation. Look at that beautiful, massive island. I love that kind of black marble finish they have. Then of course you have that microwave there. You do get soft close all throughout. Very beautiful for sure. This layout, it really supports multiple people working comfortably. You know, you have your clear kind of prep zones, the sight lines into the main living area without any chaos. It's absolutely beautiful. Love this 6-burner stove you get. You also have, of course, the ventilation system right above. For families with adult children or buyers who like to host, this kind of balance is very critical. Really, really beautiful. Now, immediately from here, we walk into the pantry area. Now, I say pantry area because it's not separated by a closet, which is typical. This is unique. You have this beautiful wide open space, lots of storage all throughout. You have the windows letting in all that natural light. Look at this. This is just so beautiful. Absolutely fantastic job. You have these easy to open cabinets here. Also with soft close, really good soft close. In fact, as you can see, you have the lights right above to just add to that ambiance. It's really nice. Of course, we have the soft close there as well. Just a lot of options when you're looking at The Dawn. And then as we make our way into like that laundry area, I want to just still show you some more of these cabinets. It's just so functional, so practical. I really, really love this. It's a unique concept, and I think it just works very well. Now here we kind of have your laundry area. You know, you can set up a little desk here. This could be like a work from home type situation. This little flex space, very, very nice. Now directly behind me here, we'll have the coat rack. So very good space for that. And then directly out this way, we have that 3-car garage. Now, really honestly, when I was looking at this, it feels kind of more like a 2-car garage, and then it has a space where you can put your golf cart very easily. That's just my opinion. I can definitely show you though a move-in ready model and you can kind of compare. And then this closet here is just your HVAC. Now, one thing I really will say that I like about the Dawn is everything is one level. So you're not looking at a 2-story home. This is all a single story property. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about the kitchen and that pantry area. Okay, now we've made it to the study section, and you can see the study and the dining room separated by this wall here. Now, the study is somewhat positioned away from the main gathering areas, but it's close enough so that you're basically a part of it. The room adapts to your lifestyle. You have these big windows that let in all of that natural light. Absolutely beautiful. You could get some doors here to kind of add to that separation. I'm curious, if you had an extra room like this, would you protect it as it is, or would you naturally turn it into a different type of space? Let me know in the comment section below. Really nice space for sure. Now from here, we're gonna make our way to one of my favorite rooms in the home, and that is your cabana. Now on the way to the cabana, here's one of those downstairs bathrooms. Really cool, you have the shower there with the tile up to the ceiling. Very, very nice finishes for sure. Absolutely gorgeous, and again, so much natural light. If that's important to you, let me know. I can show you the lots that are available with that added. Now here we have the cabana, and I mean, just look at this. You have all of those windows at the top, letting in that natural light. You have the beautiful outside that you're able to see from here. Instead of just one oversized outdoor space, the cabana just offers a quieter, more controlled environment that gives you access to the outdoors. So let me ask you, would you rather have one big outdoor area or multiple spaces that serve different moods? Now, we have the dining area, which feels very connected without being too formal. It works just as well for everyday meals as it does for just regular intentional gatherings, right? Which means you don't have to change how you live to justify the space. It really honestly just adapts to you. Do you host often or only occasionally? Because either way, the space will never actually feel wasted. And you can see it's nice and separated. You can tell where the windows are positioned. Now the family room, it's scaled for your life. It's not oversized, it's not super dramatic, it's just very comfortable. The ceilings are high, the windows let in all of that natural light. The proportions just work very well together so that this space will feel easy to be in for a long period of time. You have the sight lines to the kitchen, the dining, really, really nice, very open in here for sure. Absolutely beautiful in here. And again, you can see kind of how the windows add to that extra layer of separation. You have the beautiful windows at the top as well, even more light coming through. And then you have this oversized wall for just about any sized entertainment. Now from here, we're gonna make our way into the owner's room. Now you have this sort of walkway here, so I wanted to come through here prior to entering the room. All right, now check out this beautiful master bedroom. Now what you'll see first is the owner's sitting area. This is one of those spaces that a lot of people think they might need until you actually live in it. The seating area creates a separation before you ever reach the technical bedroom portion of it, right? It gives you a place to start the day, end the day, without immediately shutting the entire world out. It's not super flashy, but it is incredibly livable. You can see your backyard from here. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's so much detail to it. You also kind of have a little area that you could use as a bar, a coffee spot, whatever you want. It's very flexible. I absolutely adore that sort of unwind space. And then from there, we have the other portion of your master bedroom, which is of course where you'd be sleeping. You have, again, even more windows to let in even more natural light. Very, very beautiful. Again, there's so much space in here. I mean, you can fit a king size bed, potentially even your California king bed, a whole lot of options. You have the windows there letting even more light in. Absolutely beautiful, and it continues even into the bathroom. Now, the bathroom, you can tell it's all about rhythm in here, right? So it's nice and separated. So you have the dual vanities on either side. Right here, we have the toilet separated by the door. Very, very nice. And then directly behind me, we have the other door, which is in fact a linen closet. Very efficient, very practical. Absolutely beautiful finishes for sure. And then of course, you do get your soft close. Now you have that soaking tub directly separated by that beautiful window, letting in more light. David Weekley knew exactly what they were doing. All right, and then you have that tile that goes up to the ceiling. I really enjoyed that. Now, I personally would like to have a little bit more room in my shower, but let me know how you guys feel about that in the comments section. Is that space okay? Now, the closet is designed around routine. As you can see, you kind of have a little island in your closet, so you just kind of make your way around it. Very functional. The access is simple, but the storage is quite generous. Nothing interrupts this flow of getting ready. And of course, the size is fantastic. I really love the hidden pamper. Very, very cool. And then here we do also have the soft close on that little mini island. Very nice, a lot of space as you can see. Just very practical, and that's exactly what you want out of your closet. Now, it does lock from this side, but here's where the practicality of the home continues to impress. So right through this door, we have the laundry room. Very, very smart to put that right next to that walk-in closet. You have a lot of space in here, a lot of options. You can just pull that hidden pamper down, and then you can bring your clothes in here. Very, very smart. And then it leads out through that walkway we walked through. Very nice. Now down here are the remaining bedrooms. Now here's that powder room, nice and private, separated from all of the main living area. Very cool. Before I go down the wing on my right, I'm just going to show you this closet here. Just a quick coat closet. You can of course repurpose it to your needs. Now through here we have bedroom number 2. Very sizable, definitely a good amount of room. You get decent space in your closet here, separated by those 2 French doors. And then this is one of the rooms that comes with its own bathroom as well. Could make for a good guest room, whatever you want to do. Tile up to the ceiling, it gets its own shower. Very, very nice. Personally, I would like to see this type of room a little further away from the owner's retreat, but you let me know in the comments how you guys feel about that. And then this here is the HVAC closet. Okay, now we're making our way to these other bedrooms here, and I will say this of course is the model, so you're gonna see some things in here that are, the space is being utilized, but I'll do my best to give you an idea. So here is bedroom number 3. As you can see, a lot of size. This bedroom is gonna typically face the front of the home. You have a really decent sized walk-in closet. Very, very nice. And then of course, coming through this way, you'll see that the bedroom number 3 and 4 you have the combined bathroom. Tile up to the ceiling, dual vanities. This one does have the tub combination, so that's really nice. And then through here is that bedroom number 3. I skipped it a little bit just so that we didn't get the sales rep in the video, but here's that closet, really good size. This would work probably the best as some kid rooms for sure. Now, if this particular home is checking off a few boxes, a lot of the info for it will be in the description. Reach out to me when you're ready. If you're thinking about relocating to Northeast Florida, it doesn't matter of the time frame, whether you're a month out, a year out. The planning is the most important part, and doing that as soon as possible is when a lot of buyers tend to win. Now, as you can see here at the courtyard, we have multiple entrances. I didn't realize that this thing was really, really locked. So I'm gonna speed up the video just a little bit, and then I'm gonna make my way outside, so bear with me. All right, 10 years later, here we are. Look at how gorgeous, massive, and beautiful this courtyard is. You can see that oversized lanai right in front of the cabana room. And then right here, you can set up like your own fire pit, whatever you want to do. It's all fully customizable. Very, very nice. I can see myself sitting out here for quite a bit. The courtyard, even from inside the home, it feels like such a visual anchor, right? It brings so much light into the home, so much depth and separation. At the step here, you can add in these pavers on top of that AstroTurf. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, just a lot of gorgeous and expansive views. In the description, you have my email. I will send over to you the lots available because there are 2 quick move-in ready versions of this home. I like how they set this up to be like kind of mini putt type of area, but really cool, really beautiful back here. This home just has so much to offer. Now, if you're thinking about new construction, the biggest mistake that buyers make when they are looking at these homes is that they'll go into the model and they will work with the on-site agent rather than getting their own personal representation. And what that does, the on-site agents, they work for the builder. They don't necessarily work for you. So when there's an issue with your slab or there's deficiencies in the home, they're not the ones who are going to be able to catch it and make sure everything is smooth. That's exactly where I come in, and a lot of people hire me for that reason. So if you're considering new construction, definitely reach out to me when you're ready, regardless of the price point, and I will absolutely guide you through it step by step. Let's just have a conversation. Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. It'll really encourage me to continue to make these videos. Listen, we are in the final opportunity to purchase in this community. The Dawn is one of many models available right now that you can purchase and move into. If you are considering relocating into Northeast Florida, feel free to reach out to me when you are ready, and we can walk through step by step the best community for your lifestyle and everything that you're actually looking to accomplish. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one.